Hello friends, my name is Naga sheshadri and welcome to NG Experiments. Today we are going to make a new hot glue gun with old hot glue gun. So this is my old hot glue gun. This is damaged and this trigger is not working. So I'm gonna make a new one. So first we'll remove the screws. Inside the triggers part is broken. So this is 220 volt hot glue element. We'll remove the soldering of switch. I'm taking a wooden stick. So we had cutted both pieces. Now this will be our handle and body of hot glue gun. This is nail. We'll hammer it to attach both the pieces of wood. So I had hammered it. To make the bond more stronger, I am using here bond tight. It had two solutions. We should mix both solutions nicely in equal quantity. This is the stand of old hot glue gun. We'll keep this also and we have to make both holes. So now we have to fix the heating element to the wooden stick. This is clamp, pipe fitting clamp. We have to keep it and tight it. So I have fixed it. We have to connect the 220 AC plug to both the wires. So connection is completed. So now we'll keep bond tight to the heating element and we'll remove the clamp. So this is M seal. We'll keep this to heating element and to the wooden stick. So I have kept him seal nicely, you can see. Now I am cutting the hot glue stick into half. So now it's time for testing. We'll test it. So it's working very nicely. You can see the hot glue coming outside. Now we'll stick both the cardboards. I have sticked both the cardboards. So you can also try it if your hot glue gun is damaged.